Okay, second game, pumilibo tayo yun. This time na rin, and wearing in their black jersey. Yan po ang team po nila Mechanicos. Yan po, si Baklaan, yung team po yan. Si Felipe, yan po, the Mechanicos or the Hanger Group. Versus, of course, clad in blue naman po is Airport United. Airport United versus Mechanicos po tayo yun. And congratulations for the in prize for winning the game over the hub. Okay, welcome muli po tayo ngayon for the second game for today. We're just waiting for the opening whistle for the Airport United versus Mechanicos. Ito po yan. Airport United versus Mechanicos po tayo yun. And after this game po, it's a final game for the between Contact Center and GAS or General Aviation Services. Okay, we're playing right now is Airport United and Mechanicos. This game is part of by Team SBB Pilipinas and PSBQ. For any teams who want to sumali pa sa PSBQ, just visit the FB page for details. And of course, our main sponsors, Team LBC, Hanil Padala, and Third and Needles. And this short game po is Aviation Friendly League, dubbed as a Flying League. Third season na po tayo. Bawi tayo, Dol. Bawi na. Bawi na lang po, bawi. Okay. Okay, yan po siya, no? Okay, good din po siya. Ay, sa babagay. Nasa siya, no? Si Carmona. Ayos, milipad na naman si Carmona. Lumilipad daw. Si Escata, may duty. Si Masbang, milipad din yata. We'll see kung adjustment na naman nila. Kulang na naman siya ngayon. Okay, this is your Aviation Friendly League, dubbed as the Flying League. Third season na po tayo, and would like to thank the following sponsors: Team LBC, Hari ng Padala, and Thread the Needles. And of course, this part by Team SBP Pilipinas and also PSBQ Basketball League. And you're watching right now Airport United versus Mechanicos for the second game for today for the third season of Aviation Friendly League, dubbed as the Flying League. Okay po, ang clad po in blue and white combination. Yan po ang Airport United. Sa kabila naman is yung traditional black attire nila. Yan po ang, alam na natin po yan, the Mechanicos, the Mechanics. Yan po yung kakanta ng All in sa Miracle, the Mechanics. Okay, we're just waiting for the opening ball game, opening whistle. So, Parantes, kulang pa na naman sila. Wala si Soliano, wala si Melvin, wala si Masbang. O sige, kaya tingnan natin kung anong klaseng adjustment ang gagawin nila. Okay, pumuna po tayo bago tayo sasakyan. Ingat, boss. Ingat. Just wait for the game to start. Sabido. Kalilo, Poster, Pastor, si Babagay nandun. Babagay. Wala na sa kamera, sa salud, yung everything travel center nila. Okay. Pababa ako muna. Buboy no,
Hindi, baka ngayon lang, yung tatlong game, tapos bukas yung dalawa.
Masasama sa
Kasi pang umaga ko bukas. Nandito, dala ko rin kasi yung family ko, mga anak ko.
Sige po. Paano magpapahingin na kayo?
Thank you.
Anong standing pala? Wala kayong standing na binigay.
Meron ako standing, hindi ko na napasa. Sige, forward
Hindi
ko.
ka natin na. Schedule na saan, sige.
Okay, sige.
Pero number,
Kami, may group chat kasi kami, pero kasali yung doon ako, saka yung mga team reps ng kada team.
Pero number 1 pa rin ang kaso, number 1 na kayo.
Pares walang
Tie pa rin
yun.
Kailangan maglalaban yun. Jack, kailan yun? Kailangan maglalaban yun?
Parang next week yata, or...
Ayun na, hindi malalaban. Placing yan. Placing yan. Sige po, Sir Philip. Ingat po kayo. Ingat po kayo, Sir. Salamat po. Okay, opening whistle po. We're just waiting for the opening whistle for the second game for the day between the Mechanicals Clan and Black and Gold. The combination po yan. At sa kabila po is yung, of course, yan po ang Airport United clad in blue and white naman po yan. Blue and white combination. Okay. You're watching right now. Watching right now po ang Aviation Friendly Gabas sa Flying League. Okay, you're watching right now, and also after this game po, you're watching right now these teams to be play right now. And after this po is calling na po ang Contact Center and General Aviation Services. Okay, maraming salamat po. And okay, simulan po natin po ang second game for the day. Mercado, Idol. Wala pa rin kupas. Okay. Medyo still ang Airport United, kulang pa rin po sa players. Baka iba po kasi naka-duty po lahat. And also sa kabila na po, medyo malalim pang bench po ng Mechanicals. Marami-rami po sila. And we're just waiting now for the opening whistle. And this game is brought by Team SBP Pilipinas. And of course, Do Chapter po yan. And to keeping the game in a neat and orderly fashion. Yan po ang Team SBP Pilipinas, Do Chapter. Okay, 1, 2, 3, win. Okay, first quarter coming up. First quarter coming up. In-flights versus, not in-flights rather, Mechanicals versus Airport United. Okay. Airport United versus the Mechanicals. Babagay, papasok muna, Barantes, si Coster, si Manson, at si Salud. Kabila naman si Baklaan, si Felipe, si number 20, si number 9, at si number 11, si Romy, o si Jerome. Salud and Felipe for the opening jump. Okay, sir. Good evening po, sir. And okay, we're just waiting right now. Okay, samdo po kayo po posisyon, sabi ng referee. Okay, play ball. Okay, opening whistle on and game start. Won by Mechanicals. Mechanicals, may tayo ng bola, nawala ang bola. Salud, naka-rebound. Salud, Barantes. Barantes, nawala ang bola, nakakumutan kay Felipe, limutan. No good sana, pero pumasok. 2 points, limutan. Babagay, may tayo ng bola. Escat, nakuha ka na yun, no? And now to Salud. Coster, Manson for 3. No good. Felipe. Power play. Nako ng papa. Limutan. Baklaan. Nakalusot. Malakas. And Babagay. Hinahabol ang bola. To Jerome. Babagay. Power move. 2 points. Babagay. Bagay na bagay si Babagay. Okay, now to Felipe. Felipe may tahan ng bola at 8 minutes 56 remaining. Jerome, thinking to nope. Ayun, kay Limutan. Walang napasahan. Limutan. Hindi nasa loob ang bola ni Limutan. Okay, to Babagay, to Barantes. Manson again for thinking 3. That's 3 nga. Yes, sirree. 3 points, Manson. Take note po, Airport United coming for a loss and trouncing loss over in-flights. Dahil kulang po sila that time. At talagang maglalaro pa ng in-flights no. Limutan, no good. Felipe, lost the ball. One more time, Felipe. No good. Coster, Salud. Barantes, to Babagay against Baklaan. Ayun, kay Manso, malakas ang pasa. Malakas ang tira. Nakuha ni Coster, nice break the pass made. Mr. Roy, good evening po, Mr. Roy. Fine, sir. Fine. Okay, now Felipe, Baklaan, number 4. Jerome against Salud. Limutan, palpal. Hop! Tumama sa bakal. Balik muli si Itim ang bola. Sabi ng referee. Balik muli po si Itim ang bola. No good. Felipe, wala pa rin. De La Peña, 2 points. De La Peña. Bakla, Barantes. Naghahanap mga basa to Coster. Salud. Easy 2. Yes, sirree. Jerome. 6 minutes 48 mark. First quarter action. Jerome. Land of the Giants. No good. Barantes. Ayun, nag-isa. Babagay. Sayang. Malakas ang pasa. Babagay, malakas ang pasa. 7-4 po, laman ng 3 ang Airport United. Okay, 6 minutes 17 mark coming up. Lost the ball. Balik muli po, nice D. Balik muli po sa Airport United ang bola. Babagay. Babagay. Power move. 2 points. Babagay again. Scott, nakuha ko na yun. May picture na. Nakuha ko na yung package mo. Okay, now to Mr. Jerome. Pops up. De La Peña. No good. Again, Coster. Naka-rebound. Again, now to Barantes. Barantes. Power slamming. And 2 points again. Slamming the brakes and putting the acceleration again. Nice one by Barantes. Now Jerome. 11-4. 7-point lead now by Airport United. Lost the ball. Okay, Barantes sa iyon mag-isa. 2 points Barantes. Barantes 2 points to Jerome. Baklaan nagis Babagay. Edna nakuha again. Nakuha. Manson, na-choke nila ang depensa. Pops up again, malakas, Babagay. Power move, 2 points again, Babagay. And timeout now. No, it's not timeout. It's 5-minute mark. Second line na po nila sa kabila po Airport United. Siyempre, nandyan po si 55, si Caria, Kalilong at si Munoz. Lalabas muna si Manson, si Coster at si Barantes. Kabila naman po is yan po si Talisic, si Garcia, si number 15, si number 10 at si number 9. Sa kabila naman po sa mga mekanikos, the mechanics. Inupo muna sa salud. Nawala ang bola. Babagay. Down. Sabi daw it's down. Down. Babagay, down daw sabi ng referee. Okay, inbounding po si Kalilong. Kalilong for the inbound. Corpus, biging pick. Manson, 3 points. Nothing but nets. 3 points, nothing but net. 18-4. Talisic. Number 10, Villar. Pops up si Garcia. No good. One more time. Number 15, Garcia. Talisic. Number 9. No good. Kapos. Foul sa ilalim. Take 2. Eduria shooting for 2. First shot ni Eduria, 18-4 ang score po natin. No good. Second throw at 4 minutes 5 remaining. First quarter action. Check natin patiri natin. 73 pa kaya pa. Eduria second throw, jumpers ready. Wala. And Kalilong. Babagay. Babagay nagmamadalig. Babagay. Umupo po sa ere. Pasok. Talisic again. No good. Rebound battle won by Garcia. Pops up. No good. Number 55. Manson. Malakas. Eduria. Number 9. Bullet, pops up, no good. One more time, Eduria, 2 points. Garcia, 2 points. 3 minutes 18 remaining. First quarter action. Babagay. Manson, no good. Munoz, ayun, 55. 2 points, 55. Selfless play kay Munoz para kay Corpus. Jeff Carmona is watching. Nasaan ka na? Hinahanap ka namin dito, sabi nila. Babagay again. Babagay. May tangan ng bola. 2 minutes 41 remaining. 22-8. Babagay for 3. For 3 nga. Bang! Bang, bang. 2 minutes 27 remaining for the first quarter action. 25-8 ang score po natin. Talisik, binabantayan. Number 9, running shot, pasok, and 1 play pa. Running shot, pasok, and 1 play. Bullet for the bonus free throw coming up. The score is 25-10, lamang ng 15. Ang Team Airport United. Bullet, bonus free throw, tapos. Manson. Manson again, Manson. And black ball, sabi ng referee, black ball. Black ball. Talisik. Nakuha. Kalilong. Binato. And babagay. Finger roll play. Pasok. Okay, ito na po tayo yun. To Garcia. Pops up for three. Malakas. Okay, down. And to Babagay. Last touch by Babagay. Nice D by Talisik. Tumama sa panyo no, ni Babagay. Nice D ni Talisik. Nice D. Okay, Talisik for the inbound. Now to Garcia. Garcia may tayo ng bola. Now to number 9. That's Bullet. Number 9 pops up. Boarding pa. Hindi umubra. And black ball. Black ball daw po. It's black ball. Black ball. And kick out kay Talisik. Talisik for 3. No good. Nakuha Nino. Nakuha ni Garcia ang bola. Vlad. And yun, pasok. Nice shot by number 15. Coming from Vlad. Vladimir yan, malamang. Munoz again. Manson. Nope. Babagay. Power move. Foul. Committed. Babagay shooting for 2 at 30 seconds remaining. Babagay shooting for 2. I repeat. Babagay shooting for 2. Pops up. No good. Second shot ni Babagay. Jumpers ready po tayo. Second free throw coming up. Babagay. Pops up. Pasok. 28-12. 16-point lead. Garcia. Nice shot by Garcia. Mabilis. 21 seconds remaining. Munoz. Kalilong. Nakalusot. Kalilong. 2 points Kalilong. Garcia. No good. 2 seconds. Garcia again. Out of time. First quarter ended. The score is 30-14. A 16-point lead been posted by Airport United. Okay. You're watching right now Airport United versus Mechanicals, and coming up next is Contact Center versus General Aviation Services. This game is powered up by SBB Pilipinas and of course PSPQ Basketball League, and of course Thread the Needles and Team LBC Hanin Padala, and this your league po ang third season po ng Aviation Friendly League, Doubles of Flying League. Second quarter start, bola po ng black ball, sabi. Blue ball. Sorry po, blue ball. Sorry po, blue ball. Carmona, nasan ka na? Custer. To Barantes, naipit. Kalilong for 3. No good. Manson, naka-rebound. Babagay. Babagay. To Manson again for 3. No good. Just grace the ring. Okay, Felipe, binababa. Felipe, power move. Pinasa muna. Nawala ang bola. Number 0. Jerome. Felipe, power move. Dinukot, wala. And now to Babagay. Kalilo, there's a foul called sa ilalim. Okay, baseline inbound tayo. Manson for the baseline inbound. Malakas ang pasa, mali. Jerome, whoop, foul. Jerome shooting for 2 for sure. Take 2 yan, take 2 nga. Okay, Jerome shooting for 2 nga, confirmed. Two shots awarded. Okay, ayaw, di pala. Sa baba daw, sabi ng referee, baba daw. Okay, si Real, Felipe. Lost the ball. Babagay, foot race. Walang pinasahan. Walang pinasahan. Okay, Kalilo, Manson for 3. Bang! Naning magnet. Good ball. Foul. Traveling violation called Schrader. Nice D ni Jerome kay Barantes, number 19. 33-14 still, 8 minutes mark pa lang po tayo ng second quarter action. Number 0, Ying, lost the ball. Balik muli po sa Blue Boys ang bola. Blue Boys now. Okay. Babagay for 3. Kapos. Laman po na 11 ang team Airport United, 33-14. Nice one by Felipe. Sinubo lang ang bola. Kalilong. Babagay. Barantes. Bali, pinasahan. Nice recovery by Babagay. Manson, nakalusot. Pasok ang bola. Nice one by Manson. 7 remaining. Ying. Mr. Ying, Jerome pops up. Yes, sirree. 2 points. 6 minutes, 55 remaining. 35-18. Manson. Pops up for 3. No good. Ying. Real lost the ball. Nice D by Manson. Barantes. Babagay 2 points. Babagay 2 points. Babagay 2 points. The score is 37-18. Again, a 19-point lead being posted by Airport United. Felipe pops up for 3. No good. Rebound by 1 by Ying. Pops up for 2. Pasok. 2 points Ying. Babagay to Barantes. BB connection. Ang ginawa nila, Barantes. Barantes. Babagay again. Babagay. Nag-drive. Kalilong. Dinukot sa ilalim. Wala. Real. Jerome. Felipe, 2 points. Foul. Jerome called for the foul. Same ball. 37-22, laman po na 15, ay 15. Barantes. Barantes, sidestep move. No good. Ying. Real. Nice foul. Number 1 called for the foul. Okay. Palit player po tayo. Si Manson, si Munoz, si Corpus, si Salud. Para kanino po yan? Okay, pahingi mo si Babagay, si Chester, o si Casterera at si Kalilong. Kabila naman po is, of course, nandiyan po si Garcia, si Baklaan, number 9, si Bullet, si Felipe, retain yan. Number 20, si Limutan. Felipe, first shot. Pops up. No good. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Second free throw, jumpers ready for Felipe. Pops up. Wala. Rebound battle 1 by Salud. Nope, it's Limutan. Op. Stepping ka na, boy. Out of line. Okay, si Munoz kaya si Manson ngayon ang may tanga ng bola. Manson, Salud, ace ito yan. Mali. Nakuha ni Garcia. Malakas ang pass ni Garcia. Okay, back to muli po sa Blue Boys ang bola. Si Owens, gubin po sa inyo. Sir Jeffrey Carmona, kamusta po kayo, sir? Again. Garcia. 2 points. 37-24. Slowly but surely, bumabalik po ang bang. Yun lang. 3 points, Manson. 40-24. Pops up. Malakas. Corpus. Wala na. Binantay na rin bola palabas. Corpus, ang layo ah. Up. Stepping on the line. Sa pula, sir. Sa pula. Inimbang di sa sa idim. Okay, Bullet. 4-3. Kapos. Up. White. Blue ball. And timeout called by the Mechanicos.
Shoutout, shoutout. Shoutout, shoutout. Sige, boss, ikaw na. Akala ko, ano eh.
Sasalita ka.
Pasa.
Sasalita ka. Ano yung nangyari?
Boss Renzo.
Sige, kwento mo.
Ayan na, nag-drive. Pinasa sa loob. Wala.
Okay, that's Di Macali. Okay, yung ating courtside reporter po ngayon, si Di Macali. O, sir, masasabi sa laro niyo ngayon. Nag-scout ba kayo? Scouting mood ba kayo ngayon? Scouting mood na?
Tropa lang, boss.
Tropa din, ha? Okay.
Ito, mga pro. Ayan.
Okay, Barantes, wala sana, pero pinasok pa rin. Nice ring inside, no, si Bullet. Bullet, the Mechanicos. Bullet, Hop, is a foul committed. Sayang daw, sabi ni Bullet. Sayang! Sayang daw, sabi sayang. Pero huwag ka mag-alala, Bullet. Nasa free throw zone ka naman ngayon. That's Dimacali. Thank you, Sir Dimacali, for Bullet, first shot. Pops up. Wala. Second throw jumper shot at 2 minutes 22 mark. Lamang po ng 18 still ang Team Airport United. Bullet, second throw. Wala pa rin. Garcia. Malakas. Limutan. Good ball. Limutan. Ildiduria. Baklaan nakalusot. Garcia. 2 points. (42-26) Manson. Salud. Binabantayan. Barantes. Manson. Naiyo mag-isa. 3 points. Wala. And nako ni Garcia ang bola. Garcia. Bullet. Malalim. Pero may trailing job. 2 points. Barantes. What a play. Hop. Sayang yung finger roll niya, no? Almost had it. Nice play. Barantes. Naku, nalusutan. Okay, nalubosot. Garcia. Wala. Limutan. 2 points. Limutan. Timeout called by Airport United. I think the fatigue factor is setting in already para sa Airport United dahil medyo malalim po ang bench ng Team Mechanicos over Airport United, which is parang halos sa eksakto lang sila. Pero tingnan natin kung adjustment po na gagawin po ng Airport United sa mga tagpong ito. At 1 minute 13 remaining na lang po sa second quarter action. 42-30 ang score po natin. Back to the ball game muli tayo. Lamang na po ng 12 ang Airport United. Over the high of 18 points. Manson. Barantes. Manson. Talusot. Foul. Malakas pa. Okay, still bola pa rin po ng Airport United. Manson for the inbound. Kumukuha si Salud. To Manson again. Babagay, nagpapahinga. Salud. Matangkad. Salud. Barantes. Manson for 3. No good. Munoz, no good. Hindi na pasok. Okay, limutan. Garcia, palpal. Nice palpal ni Mr. B for Barantes. Rain. Okay. Garcia for 3. Kapos. Salud. Barantes. 2 points, Barantes. Ray Cream is watching already also. Owen Socom is watching. Okay, nakabawi sila ng konti. 4-4-30. Lamang po na 14. Limutan. Garcia, power move. Limutan, pops up. 2 points. Wala na. Boom. Okay. Halftime po tayo ngayon. You're watching right now the game between Airport United versus Mechanicos. And coming up, this game is, of course, Contact Center versus General Aviation Services. This game is part up by SBB Pilipinas and PSBQ Basketball League. And of course, these are main sponsors, Team LBC Hari ng Padala and Trident Needles. And you're watching right now the third season of Aviation Friendly League, dubbed as a Flying League. Halftime po tayo ngayon. We'll be back. Uy, po. Halftime. Okay, balik tayo sa laro po ngayon. Binaba ko muna yung camera. Okay, now si Felipe. Jerome. Papsa, palpal. Felipe, and one play made. Nice shot by Felipe. Felipe shooting for two. Felipe. Pops up. Okay, basket good. Good po yan. Okay, balik muli po tayo na si Ying. Felipe, palpal, pero may foul. Two shots awarded para kay Felipe. Felipe per shot. Per shot ni Felipe. Pops up. Pasok. Okay, the score is 44-35. Siyam na lang po kalamangan ng Team Airport United. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. Pasok. 9 minutes, 12 remaining, third quarter action. Barantes. No good. Jerome. Vlad. Malakas ang pasa. Foul. Ying. Okay, dito po ang inbounding. Inbounding si Kalilong. Barantes. Manson. Manson. Babagay. Check. Ying. May tahan na bola. Ying. Wala. Ayun. Vlad. 2 points, Vlad. 44-38. And timeout call by Airport United. Ang mga Mechanicos nakakamoy yata ng dugo. Okay, back to Lubog. Muli po tayo. 8 minutes to remaining. Okay, ano muna? They have to survive the third quarter onslaught of Team Mechanicos para sa Airport United. 8 minutes remaining. Lamang ng 6. Kalilong. Manson for 3. No good. Kalilong. Babagay. Lost the ball. Babagay. And foul si Ying. Ying Cook for the foul. Kalilong for the inbound. Kalilong for the inbound. Ito na. Salud. Salud for 3. That's rare. Salud again. Second chance points. Power move ni Salud. Salud. Nako ni Felipe ang bola. Felipe. Jerome. 2 points Jerome. 4 na lang. Salud out of bounds. .44-40, 7 minutes mark. Garcia for 2. Wala. Felipe rebound. Salud for the rebound. Barantes sa upo. Kalilong ang parang point guard nila ngayon. Manson for 3. Wala. Oh! Stepping on the line. Balik muli po sa itim ang bola. Black ball. Sabi nila, it's black ball. Bullet. Jerome. Garcia. 3-second violation. Nice D still. Buhay pa rin po. Ika nga. Still floating pa rin ang Airport United. Babagay. No good. Pagod na. Bullet. Lost the ball. Felipe. No, Salud rather. Salud. Driving in. Salud. Running shot. Salud shooting for 2. Barantes, pasok muna para kay Kalilong. Salud sa free throw line. 2 shots awarded. Salud. First shot, pasok. It's in. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Second free throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Salud. No good. Rebound battle 1 by Jerome. 5, laman na 5. 45-40. Garcia mag-isa. 2 points Garcia. Barantes to Manson to Salud. Barantes, malakas. Babagay, nice training job. Salud, palpal. Fadeaway shot, malakas. Black ball called. Lamang nga lang po ng 3 ang Team Airport United. From the height of 18 points, 18, ang kalaman niya kanya ngayon ay 3 na lang. 15 to nothing blast being posted by Team Mechanicos. Okay, 2 points Felipe, lamang na lang isa. Babagay. Manson driving in for 2. Rebound di Salud. 2 points Salud. Yan ang kinakalan Salud. Yan ang kinakalan na. Okay, 47-44. Yes, baklaan nakalusot. Nako, mali pinsahan. 2-on-1 situation. Babagay. Babagay. 2 points. Uy. Timeout called by Mechanicos. Babagay, 2 points kagad, kinakailangan nila. And also, up next po is the Red Men or the State University Colors po of Contact Center, and gas po is General Aviation Services. Pero wala pa sila. Okay. 49-44, muna kayo nga po ng konti ang Airport United sa onslaught ng Team Mechanico sa third quarter. Lost the ball. Babagay again. Babagay. Babagay. Barantes. And the sky play malakas. Stepping on the line. Blue ball. Nice. Almost an eye in the sky play being played by Babagay and Barantes. Pero di na shoot po. One more time. Barantes. Dukot. Malakas. Salud. Iba talaga matangkad. Salud. Salud na kalusot. Salud. Salud again. Salud. Salud. And traveling violation. Traveling violation kay Salud. Pops up. Garcia. No good. Nice one again. Second chance points. Babagay. Lost the ball. Malakas nga Babagay. Nakaribang muli. Barantes. Babagay. Ayun Manson. 2 points and 1 play pa ginawa nila. Two minutes 40 remaining. 51-46. Again, 5 na naman ang Kalamangan plus bonus free throw coming up kay Manson. Kapos. Baklaan. Baklaan. 2 minutes 34 remaining. Good ball. Salud. Salud. Again. No good. Barantes. 2 points, Barantes. 53-46. 53-46. Nakasun. They have to survive this third quarter. At least with many points as possible in the lead. Pops up. No good. Manson. And 1 play made pa. And 1 play made. Manson. Manson. Bonus free throw coming up. Bonus free throw coming up para kay Manson. Ayan, meron ano. Okay po, hindi po. Ito yata yung pansyata ni Manson yata ito eh. Manson, bonus free throw coming up. 55-46. Balik po si Siamang Kalamangan from a low of 3 points or I think 1 point earlier. Manson, bonus free throw, no good. 15 naka-rebound. Jerome, 1 minute and 51 remaining. Jerome, check ball. Recover by Jerome. Felipe, power move. Walang pinasahan. Manson again, Manson. Manson, side step move. Wala. Bullet, Bullet. Bullet, nagmamadali si Bullet. Bullet. No good. Jerome. Set shot, wala pa rin. Felipe. Wala. Sayang, hindi pumasok. But will go to the line. A minute and 16, 55-40 score po natin. Felipe, number 8, shooting for 2. Shooting for 2, pops up. Pasok. Second throw, jumper ready for Felipe. Second free throw, jumping for Felipe. Pops up. Pasok pareho. Okay, it's good. Okay. A minute and 16 remaining. 45-40. Laman po ng 7. Armando Rivera is watching. Manson, no good. Barantes almost had the other. Foul, almost. Felipe again on the line. 48 seconds remaining. Felipe, first free, 2 free throws para kay Felipe. Inaward kagad. Felipe, first shot. Wala. Mali. Mali lang. Second throw, jumpers ready. Chance to trim down the lead. Felipe, second shot. It's out. Kalilong, foul. So,
Grabe.
sabi sir. Ayun.
Ang daming po ito.
Oo nga eh.
Ilan sila?
Lapas 10. Kaya medyo natin mo kanina, 18 yun eh. Pagpatak ng ano, ng
Wala naman.
bulo.
Oh.
Pero na ano, napapagod na sila. Kanina ano, umabot ang isa na lang eh.
Dito lang sila, no?
Isa. Lumabot ang isa kanina. Ito lang sila. May duty si Scott. May ano yung iba. May mga flight yung iba. Ayun. Kalilong, both free throws awarded and made. Again, siyam na naman ang Kalamangan from the height, from the low of 1. Okay, 44 seconds. Felipe. Bullet. Malakas. Felipe, power move. Wala pa rin. Uy. Natulak. Anong team mo, sir? Anong team mo? Contact? Okay ba yung coach? Okay, good. Penalty situation, team Mechanicos.
At saan kaya doon sa salud? Parang,
Ano yata security doon eh?
ha?
Security.
Hindi, parang sa, may naalala ko mo ano sa salud eh. Parang norte ata ito eh.
Malamang. Salud, first shot. Pasok. 58-48. Laman na 10 muli. Little by little, they recover their ground again ang Team Airport United from a low of 1. Now, back to 10 points na naman. Both basket mates, 11 point muna Kalamangan ng Team Airport United. They're just surviving now the onslaught of Mechanicos in the third quarter. Eduria. Walang pinasahalos. Bullet. Bagsak na naman sa bullet. Foul. 2 shots awarded. Kasi no? Defensor?
Sure.
Aray. Bakit? Tapilok? Tapilok?
Training niya sa ano? Liga yung ano, mataas na liga.
GCC?
Parang,
Inter GCC o ano?
hindi ko alam.
Sayang. Okay, bullet, second throw. Sayang. No good. Okay, kanyang bola rep. Bola ng blue. Blue ball. 16 seconds remaining. Salud. Barantes. Barantes magmamadali. Barantes nagkakalusot. Barantes. Barantes. Salud. Manson. Manson. Kumanapik. Manson. Manson. Salud. Manson again. Manson. Pops up. No good. And it's in. Okay. Airport United survived the onslaught of Team Mecanico sa third quarter action. 10 lang muli po ang kalamangan ng Airport United. Airport United, 10 po. Yes. Ano rin kayo sa Qatar Airways din? Ito rin? Kapatid mo. Coming soon, malamang. You want to go on flight attendant? Oh, good. Suchi. Okay, 59-49, 10 minutes, final 10 minutes po. Please note po, Airport United survived an onslaught by Team Mecanicos from the low of 1. Again, balik muli po sa 10 kalamangan nila coming to the fourth quarter action. Okay, final lineup, si Coaster, si Babagay, Barante, Salud, at si Manson. Pahinga muna. Si Nakalilong, tsaka si Corpus. Hindi. Wala, cam, sports cam kinakalaan doon. Kinakalaan, full option yun. Oh, tsaka maraming pipindot-pindot ka pa. Jerome, 2 points. Easy na yan. Wala, let go na yan. Huwag mo na pailin yan. Babagay. Babagay, nakalusot. Babagay again. Barantes. Stop. Teka lang. Traveling violation. Huli ka, Rip. Hinuli ka ni Rip. Okay, 59-51. 8 na naman ang kalamangan. 8 na naman daw. 8. Okay, chancing ito. Tune down dito 6 points or possible 5-point point. Kung na 3-point po. Baklaan to Bullet for 3. No good. Salud. Rebound battle 1 by Bullet. Oh. Traveling violation called. Lumud na kasi. Then bumangon siya. 10 tayo. And okay, si Bullet labas muna. Quality minutes kay Bullet. Si Ying naman ngayon ang pumasok para kay Bullet to Manson. Manson, may tayo ng bola. From Corpus. Nakalusot si Manson. Coaster lost the ball. Baklaan. 2 points Baklaan. Ito na naman ang onset nila. Ito na naman. Salud. Manson. Coaster. 2 points Coaster. Kevin Coaster. Sige na. Lost the ball most. Jerome. Lost the ball na. Still completed. Manson. Barantes. Foul to Felipe. Okay. 2 shots yan para kay Barantes. Hindi, kasi. Oo nga, Oo nga, lang naman. Dapat mag-milk na sila ng clock. Sabi lang Sino pumili ng kulay nyo? Naging marooners kayo nyo. Dati puti kayo. Alam ko.
Nazareno nga eh.
Ha?
Nazareno.
Nazareno? Ba't naman Nazareno? State University naman pare. Wag naman Nazareno.
Marumi.
Marooners nga. State University yan pre. UP Colors. Okay, 8 minutes for remaining. Barantes for the free throws. Again, Airport United trying to survive. That's another onslaught, possible onslaught ng Mecanicos. Pops up. No good. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Jumpers ready po tayo. Barantes. 8 minutes for remaining. And pasok ang bola. 62-53 Siyam. Eto na. 8 minutes na lang. Babagay against Ying. Garcia, Barantes, muntik malang malakawan. Ying. Baklaan. Ayun kay Felipe. 2 points Felipe. Pito. Babagay. I think they're gonna make milk the clock right now. Salud, pops up, malakas. Chest Coaster, Barantes. Naku na Jerome mag-isa. Jerome, 2 points na naman. Eto na na. Again, eto na naman. 5. Barantes. 7 minutes remaining. Babagay. Directing traffic. Manson for 3. No good. Napapagod din si Manson. I think so. Fatigue factor setting in for Manson. That's why they're missing. Started to miss the shots already. At 7-minute mark remaining. 5 po ang kalamangan ng Airport United. Again, the onslaught is on for Mechanicos and Airport have to survive na the final 7 minutes ng 4th and final quarter to win the game. Okay, after 7 minutes. Airport United. Lalabas muli yan. Okay, that's Kalilong. 7 minutes remaining. The final 7 minutes. Lamang po ng 5 ang Airport United. Garcia. Baklaan. Jerome. Nagpahinga muna para sa sa possible 5 minutes. Felipe, fadeaway shot. No good. Baklaan, naka-rebound. Garcia, 2 points Garcia. Manson. Kalilong. Salud. Manson for 3. Bangs, it's out. Ying. Ay, out of bounds para kay Ying. Set lang daw muna, sabi nila. Babagay. Driving in. Babagay. Nakuha. Ayun, kay Ying. Mag-isa. Ying. 2 points. Okay, again. 1 point na naman ang kalamangan. Baklaan. Zigzagging. Baklaan. Drop step. Foul. Oh. Again, 5 minutes 55 remaining. 1 point na naman ang kalamangan ng Airport United over Mechanicos. Kalilong driving in. Kalilong lost the ball. Same ball. Tap behind from behind. Okay, si Coaster papalit muna parang ibabagay. Siguro papasok yan para sa final minutes din. In preparation. Barantes, floater shot. Tap out. Baklaan. Ayun kay Bilibutan. 2 points. Change favor tayong yun. Change favor po tayo. Change favor 62-63. The fatigue factor is not setting in for Airport United. Mas malalim kasi ang bench ng Mechanicos. Coaster, Felipe, power move, nawala. White ball, black ball. full yata, full minutes. Ang first 3 yata, pansin ko running clock. Maliban na kung malayo o may free throw, pinapatay yung buo. Okay, ano muna po tayo? Okay, don't look now. The onslaught still on. Finally, they have now the lead, 62-63 para sa Mechanicos. And also inbounding again, still Mechanicos, si Garcia. Babagay. Hindi pa rin bumabalik. Parang nagpapahinga. Okay, medyo pagod na talaga sila, mga Airport United. Baklaan. Kumuha ng pick. Jerome, thinking 3, wag muna raw. Jerome, nakalusot pa. Pops up, kapos. Baklaan. Jerome, nakalusot. Wala. Felipe, 2 points, Felipe. Foul, Baklaan. Sila likod. Back 3 points po kalamangan. Manson. Barantes, tingin 3. Kapos. Check. 2-on-2 situation. Baklaan. Felipe. Foul. Limutan. Felipe. Nice D. Foul. Nice foul ni Baklaan. Duty foul po yan. To avoid Pero they want unspo. Pero hindi bibigyan. Duty foul lang yan. 5 po ng 3 na ngayon ang Mechanicos. Salud. Manson. Nice D. Foul. Substitution na. Babagay, pumasok na muna. 62-65. 3 minutes 54 remaining. Jerome. Baklaan for 3. Ayaw mo na nga. Baklaan. Jerome for 3. Nope. Short stab. 2 points. No good. Garcia. Pops up. Malakas. Felipe. Pops up. Kapos. And okay. Same ball. Same ball po tayo. Same ball. Eto na. 3 minutes. Baklads going strong. No good. Rebound. Foul. Buti na lang may matangkad. But still, fatigue has set it in already for the Airport United. Sub. Bullet. Pasok muna. Sino nilabas? Limutan ba, no? Baklaan for Bullet. Manson. Babagay. 2 points. Nice one. By Barantes. 64-65. Final hurrah for both teams. Huling hirit na to para sa both teams. Tingnan natin sino mas gutom. Jerome, nakalusot, and foul. Wala pa yata. Wala pa. Ito, bumasok naman yan. Yan ang kalaban nyo. General elevation. Yan ang kalaban nyo, boss. Bullet! Foul! Akop shooting pa. Down, sa baba. Sabi referee, it's down. Down. Sabi referee, it's down. Down sa baba, South. Sa baba daw, baba. Down. It's down. Bullet. Garcia. Naipit. Op! Same ball. 8 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds shot clock. 8 seconds to shoot. Jerome for 3. No good. And same ball pa rin. Felipe. Bullet binabantayan. Bullet now to Garcia. Tapos. Rebound battle won by Limutan. Pasok. Two minutes still remaining. Babagay. 2 points Babagay. Again. Jerome. A minute 51 remaining. Jerome. Nakuha ng pick. Jerome lost the ball. Almost lost the ball. Limutan. Lost the ball again. Still completed. Babagay. Jerome. And to Bullet. Malakas. Still completed. Babagay for 2. 2 points Babagay. Labang muli po. Balik po sa kalamangan ang Airport United. 1 minute 24 seconds remaining. What a heart-pounding stopping battle we have right now in the midst. Blue versus black. 10 kayo papanig. Ang lamig. Belarus. Dalawa pa lang sila. Crucial to. Babagay, what a timely 2. Binigay po niyan 2 ng tunam. Napakalagang 2 points po yan to give them back the lead. Again, Mechanicals will not sit this one around. They will again try to get back the lead for sure. A minute and 24 seconds remaining sa the fourth and final quarter. Jerome for the inbound. Jerome. Felipe. Limutan. Garcia and foul. 3-second violation rather. Si Roy dapat mag-utilize ng sarili talaga to the police. Si Roy. Yung rebound ban lang. Rebound. Yung buntiran niya kasi. Yung tira niya Uy! Yung rebound niya mahalaga pero yung ano niya kasi. Pero yung ganong banat niya. Dapat yung medyo lang, binabato niyo.
Tignan mo pag nag-lay up.
Kaya nga, parang dakdak na, dinadakdak na. Parang galit sa board yung mama. Jerome, Limutan, bang! Balik muli po sa isang kalimangan. Barantes, nakalusot. Barantes, nagmamadali. Babagay. Babagay, lost the ball. They need to have a stop for sure. Airport United should have a stop right now. Or else it will be very difficult for them to get back the lead. Jerome against Babagay. Jerome directing traffic. Jerome. Baklaan for 2. Bang! Barantes. Barantes kumamadali. Barantes. Babagay. Manson for 3. No good. Barantes. Babagay. No good still. Okay, that's it. Wala, pagod na. Pagod sila. Again, Airport United looking back again back to the drawing boards. 68-71. Felipe, Ford on the line. Baklaan giving the much needed cushion. Felipe pops up. No good. Felipe has to sink this one down. Kinakara-issue ni Felipe to, kung hindi posibleng ma-3 points ni Manson and send this game into overtime. Felipe, second throw, no good. Salud, wala na, sa labas yan, limutan. Foster, Kalilong. Wala nang timeout ang Airport United. Babagay. Manson for 3. No good. That's it. That's it. Final score 68-71. A come from wide win by Mechanicals over Airport United. And for Airport United, back to the drawing boards na naman. Okay, congratulations. Okay. Okay, camp. Crucial fashion po. Ginawa po ng Air... Paki-balance po. Marami kayo dyan. Kabila iba. Okay, over Airport United, 68-71 po ang kanilang kalamangan. At syempre, the Black Boys, the Mechanicals. Yeah.
Best player, bakla. Sa Pixel, bakla.
Okay, yan po. Okay, sino po ang best player? Sino bibigyan? Okay, si Baklan ang nagbigay ng kalamangan sa kanila lalo. Okay po, Baklaan, dito ka. Sali, no? Interviewin kita, sisikip kayo sa akin lalo. Okay, Baklaan, paki-explain sa akin. Anong ginawa niyo sa fourth and final quarter kaya hinahabol niyo sila? Ayan.
Tiwala lang sa mga kasamahan ko.
Okay.
Tapos sinabi, magano kami, defense.
Hindi mo pa lang ginawa mo, ikaw nagbigay na parang ika nga cushion o sa kanya sa team mo para lumamang palalo?
Ginawa natin effort.
Effort
Lahat
talaga.
naman nag-effort. Tapos, ginawa lahat para manalo.
Sige po. And okay, sir, bago tanong. Shoutout, 1 minute po, sir. Wag kang ano. 1 minute po, sir. 1 minute. Shoutout po, sir. Sige po.
Una, shoutout pala sa pamilya ko.
Okay.
At sa mga lahat ng kasama ko.
Yan.
Sa team ni Caracas. Sa lahat ng mga player.
Okay, sir. Ano pa, sir? Okay, now ito tanong ko, sir. Ito, seryoso ta. What to expect now for the last remaining game po ng Mechanicals? Tiyak, ano, malapit na maglaglagan na.
Mura, practice lang tapos.
Okay.
Ano?
You know, so dapat na, makumpleto dapat kayo.
Dapat kumpleto.
O, gag-isip mo.
Kailangan talaga. Ano, At tiwala sa isa't isa lang.
Wala pa si Shannon yan. Ano, sige po, maraming salamat. Yan po si Mr. Bakla, number 4, Mr. number 4. And congrats po, yung po ang Mechanicals sa isa mali sa dulo po. And this is your host, Arvin G. Vlog. So maraming salamat po sa inyo. Props na yan, balik na yan. Okay. Babalik to yan. Okay po. And muli po, maraming salamat po sa lahat po. And for the final game po tayo, back to the final game po. Maraming salamat po, send and back. God bless. Okay, yan po.